friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is unrealistic expectations. So we all have a life to live. We are all gifted with a life. We come in this world, we do work, we do things that we like or our family may ask us to do. But within this we also develop expectations from life, whatever we see through, whatever we see around ourselves, whatever we have grown. So within that our expectation grows, and in that way the thing is that we start to develop expectations within us, and our expectations grows with time. Once we have expected some small thing and we have achieved it or it has come true, and then we start to make more expectation, more and more bigger expectations. You can take as a child, maybe in his childhood, who he has expected to be a good government officer. Maybe he has become an officer. After that he would expect to get a good wife, a good beautiful wife. Maybe he has got a beautiful wife. After that he would expect healthy kids. He has got healthy kids. So expectation never ends. So after that what he will expect that I have everything, so now I should get a high standard in the society, I should get a high position in the society. Then he will start, then afterwards he will start to show off more and more to his peers and friends around him. So this way expectation goes on. On the other hand, you can see a school kid who is expecting to do good in studies, who is expecting to get more marks. He is getting more marks, then later on he's expecting to get more and more and more and more. Then he would expect to be the first boy in the school, be the first boy in the college. So in this way expectation keeps going on. So whether now we have to put a stop on whatever we are expecting, because when we cross the limits, because everything doesn't come to everyone. So of course we have to understand that limits has to be there, limits has to be put in our expectations. We keep on expecting things, and when our expectations are not fulfilled, then we get deserted. More of the worst thing is that many a times with this, as we continue to get everything in life, we create an illusion that yes, we can get everything in life, we can get any impossible thing also. So we start making unrealistic expectations, and this unrealistic expectations comes because we don't want to make ourselves aware of the surroundings, and hence the problem generates. Because as you can see, some girl who has been with her family, and now it's time for her to get married, and she is expecting a husband who would listen to her every word, and that person would be like his slave, or that person would be like his dream charming, or that person would be a dream man, a superhero. So this kind of unrealistic expectations never get fulfilled, and thus the persons get pushback from life, and they are not able to take that. In many places it happens where the girls are not able to go out too much to see the world, to understand others' perspective of life, because the more you see, the more you understand what real life is. So in this process, what happens, they within the home they create unrealistic expectations, and when they meet the real life challenges, they are not able to cope up with that, they are not able to take that, and they get into trauma, or they get into depressions. So these are the problems of unrealistic expectations. So of course unrealistic expectations to be identified, to be understood, and to be aware of. One should be aware of what is real and what is unreal, and what is illusion. We mostly get into the illusion that we will achieve this, we will achieve that, but the thing is that we have to create our potentials, and some are the things that we only dream of, we imagine of. That imaginations hardly come true anyway in life. So of course we need to understand that these are not the things, this never happens, but our mind creates some imaginary things which never gets fulfilled. So we have to come down to earth and understand the reality of life, what happens or what our mind is expecting. So reality to be understood properly, otherwise These illusions, imaginations of life that we create in our mind would always hurt us in life, and we won't achieve whatever we deserve actually, because we, in this unrealistic expectations of life, we forget that what is our actual quality, and hence we, our focus gets shifted to that. As I said, as I gave a example earlier in this video, there is a person who is a government employee and he's expecting more and more from life, and he is trying to raise his standard in life. So in this process, what happens, to get to a higher standard, slowly maybe he has started to ignore his old friends or the society people who has helped him once, or has a very good rapport with that person, and he is feeling like he has a film, like a big film star or some big celebrity that he has achieved in his life, that kind of status. And thus in that process, in that way, he would lose all his good friends. So there has to be some realistic expectations, otherwise life will show you unrealistic problems which you never have expected in life. So thank you friends, hope this was helpful to you, hope I am able to make you understand about unrealistic expectation problems that we deal. So we have to be grounded and understand the reality, understand the practicality of life, and we have to choose our dreams. So thank you friends, bye bye.